welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick little daily plan with me. Here is the last couple of days. I did go ahead and use quite a few stickers just because I had some extra time to use those and things like that. I've been using them for a couple of days. I really love this day right here. So I have my new planner here for my daily. It is also a Plum paper daily, but it is in the 7x9 size, which as you guys can see is significantly larger. So we will see how that works. I don't know, you guys. Let me just kind of start planning and I can talk at the same time. So I'm planning out Wednesday, the day you guys are watching this, in my A5 Plum paper. And if I'm being honest, also, let me stop one more time. This is not a Chrissy Ann Designs sticker or reusable sticker book. This is actually from Once More with Love. The cover has like this little slit in it that you can put your own cover on. And so while I do secretly wish that Kristen would come out with her own sticker book, I just flipped the card around and put some of her stickers on it and then moved all of my Chrissy Ann Designs leftovers to it. So that's how that's working. So anyway, I was talking to a friend of mine and, we were talking about how we were kind of both in planner slumps. And I was just like, I am almost feeling the urge to go back to an EC only because of the paper. I get very, very frustrated when things get like inconvenient, because really that's all it is just a minor inconvenience that some stickers don't work on this paper. Actually, I don't really know of any stickers that work on this paper. Anyway, it's like not a deal breaker, but for me it kind of is because I love stickers. So anyway, I'm looking for some of these skinny event labels, and I know this of myself when it comes to stickers and planning and all of those things, is that I need stickers to work with it, and I need it to be easy to move them around because I move my stuff around all the time. I think we're just going to go with a blue and yellow theme. I am starting to run out of some of these things. And so anyway, that, yes, it can be a deal breaker for me. And I got the 7x9 size and ordered like a bunch of Daily Duo kits. And honestly, I've been like, why did I even do that? Because I'm just going to have the same issue that I have with this planner. And it's going to be just as frustrating. So I don't know. And if you're new and you're kind of like, what are you talking about? Well, if I tried to remove any of these stickers after placing them down, my planner would be destroyed. And that's not any fun. So for today's pens, I will be using my Sharpie pen and my Sharpie permanent marker to write on the sticker. So we're going to change things up and write priorities on this one. Not that focus was bad or anything. And there's a sticker behind here and it totally made me mess up my eye. That's fine. And then we're going to do today over here. I should have written on the stickers before, but with the daily, and since I'm using scrap stickers, if you will, I don't always know what I'm going to use them for until I put them down. So there is that. So today, in case you didn't notice, I paid a little tribute to the pumpkin spice latte, which is why they're all orange stickers, because pumpkin spice lattes were released, whatever they call them at coffee shops, at Starbucks. You know what was also released? Every single human being that hates pumpkin spice. They came out in droves on social media just to tell you how much they hate it. And even some people went so far as to say how disgusting it is. And I was just like, okay then. Just interesting. I feel like in the world that is COVID, let us just enjoy the little things, right? I did not realize that so many people were so disgusted by pumpkin spice latte or pumpkins in general, because apparently there's also a huge population of people that don't like pumpkin anything, like not even pumpkin pie, which just blows my mind because I'm like, how do you survive Thanksgiving? Anyway, priorities. Let's see, medication, yay, and my vitamins and then getting a workout in. And this evening, I actually stuck to the plan. I didn't get back on the bike tonight, but I did do a 10-minute yoga, restorative yoga session. I can talk. And then a 10-minute meditation session, which I heard about from my friend Nina, who has been doing the meditation sessions. And I'm just like, really? I haven't done any sort of meditating in a really long time. Probably something that I needed, and it was fantastic. I highly recommend it. So if you're on the Peloton app or whatever app you have, if they have meditation type things, I would check it out, you know? All right. So tomorrow though, or on Wednesday when you guys are watching this will actually be a bike day. So I'm going to start my schedule at 6 and then work my way down every other hour. And I feel like my pen is starting to dry out. I can tell it's just not quite as smooth on this paper, and normally I don't have that hard of a time. All right, so there we go. So what have I been doing? AM routine, kind of the same thing. So let's hop into that. So back to choosing the whole like planner thing. The other thing with me too is that I think I'm getting kind of restless because Moxie Life is going to come out with their daily. So I'm like, oh crap, what do I want to do? But I'm starting to get bored with this. That's just how I am. Like I've been in this for 3 months and I'm already like, okay, next. But that's just how my brain works. I've really been liking doing the work box like this, so I'm going to do the same thing here. Now, I've also just been liking adding a little bit of lettering to my pages. I just think it breaks it up and it looks less boring. And then you'll see like other days where I'm like, yeah, I'm not lettering a damn thing. I just need to write my list and keep it moving. But I do love the way that this looks. I also ordered quite a few work stickers from Chrissy Ann Designs because I love her stickers in my daily, and this is going to be the most crooked box ever. But it's supposed to be a doodly box, so it's not supposed to look perfect. That's the whole point. That is intentional. All right, let me grab my phone really quick because I need to look at my work calendar because I know that there are some meetings. As much as definitely no thanks. I just like saw my work emails pop up and I was like, absolutely not. I'm not looking at any emails. Okay, so I just need to look at my schedule and it looks like I have 2 meetings, 9:30 and 10:30. Who decided this? So if you watched my plan with me on Monday, I didn't have any meetings on Wednesday. Like I come in and I shit you not, someone always is like, we should meet about this. We should meet about that. And it's just like, fine. So we have a 9:30 ROI meeting. And then 10:30 we have a recruiting meeting. Yay, fun times. Okay. And I know you guys will ask, what do you do for a living? And I don't share what I do for a living anymore because some people on the internet just ruined things. So unfortunately, I don't share any of that. So that's just that for work meetings until 500 other things pop up. So there's that. All right. Then for dinner tomorrow, I wish I had a plan. I'm actively right now trying to figure out what was the plan for Wednesday. Everyone was highly disappointed that today on Tuesday we didn't have tacos. Maybe I should throw in some tacos. I don't know. But I'm thinking it's going to be chicken and vegetables because that sounds exciting. So on Monday, I made chicken and vegetables. Not chicken and vegetables. Oh my goodness. Chicken in the crock pot. It was just this very basic recipe of ranch powder and butter and like a little bit of chicken broth. So good. So freaking good. I don't measure anything. So when people ask me for recipes, I'm like, I don't even know how to tell you what I just did. I just told you the ingredients. You have to figure out the rest. All right, so let's move on to the to-do list. I need my little dot marker here. And it is Wednesday, so typically we have a couple of midweek things. And then not much else. But the big thing for us is laundry and then vacuuming upstairs. I try to vacuum upstairs twice a week downstairs is pretty much every day with the Roomba because we have dogs and they never stop shedding. And I almost wrote downstairs. I need to write upstairs. Upstairs, because that's where all the carpet is. We have no carpet downstairs. What else? Wednesday. I'm trying to think. I think I'm just going to leave the other two because normally I can think of something that I have to take care of. I think I need to pay the electric bill. I should probably check on that. Pay electric. That's one of those things where I'm like, did I pay that early and pay it last week? I'm not 1,000% sure, but this will remind me to double check on that. So, and there's nothing wrong with double checking, right? All right, so now we're going to move on to just some routines that I like to put over here. And I'm going to put this real life sticker because that's real life. All right, so the usual, the daily delete. I got behind on that by like 2 days and I have nothing but regrets. Oh my God. I was like, where are the pictures that I actually need? Not all the other junk. All right, so daily delete, my memory planning, which if you look back, I didn't do Monday. I have not done it yet today. Yeah, this has been an interesting week and it's only Tuesday for me. Then read and unplug because my goodness. I think I should squeeze in another coffee cup because I really, after all the posts today, I really want to try a pumpkin cold brew. And I'm not normally a pumpkin cold anything, but there were so many of those posted that I was like, you know what? I don't ever even remember having tried that. What are my words? I don't remember ever having had, I can't think. I've never tried it. So I might go tomorrow. Let's see if I have a matching coffee sticker. I don't have one in yellow. I probably have one in the blue. What? I don't? Oh man. How will I ever survive? Okay. I really don't understand how I don't have a blue coffee cup. I probably have it in a blue that I don't like. Okay. Whatever, we'll still go to Starbucks. You know what, I should probably do it in like, nope, I don't even have one in this color. My goodness. All right, well, there goes that plan. I can't write it in my planner because I don't have a sticker for it. Isn't that just fantastic? All right, moving on. I did want to grab one of these heart stickers for my content part because I love how that looks with that. And then, oh, my last habit is, well, I have workout here, so I'm not going to write workout again, but I will put my skincare. All right, and then for tomorrow's content tasks, I need to share this video. I need to work on my September calendar, which is I'm starting to panic because I kind of started August really well because I batched everything in July, but I have not had any time in August to batch September. So yeah, I'm in a little bit of panic mode. I've honestly thought for a while to go down to 2 videos just because I really need to keep things manageable, and 3 videos for, I've lost track of how many years now. 3 videos a week for several years. It's a lot, but I also feel bad when I don't post the 3 videos. It's like it's become such a habit over the years, you know? Anyway. So that's where I'm at with that. All right, so we have the September calendar. Need to go through comments and messages. My my requests in Instagram are at 0. That's like that others folder, like people who you've never engaged with. That's where those messages go. And after a particular incident last week, I just like deleted them all. I didn't even get to them all. And now I'm back at 0. And now I hope I can keep it a little bit more manageable. Someone had said, why don't you just hire someone to go through your DMs and stuff? And I was like, 1, I don't want to spend money on that. I just don't. And 2, I don't want to spend money on that. It's as simple as that. I know that there's like this whole thing like outsource what you can, blah, blah, blah. I'm too much of a control freak. No, thank you. I don't want someone else going through my messages and responding as me or any of that. So there's that. All right. Emails. There we go. And I figure, like, I'm not too good to just do it myself. That's just my whole thought process. Anyway, before I say something that's going to get me in trouble, that is it for today. Pray for me that someone doesn't add 4 other damn meetings in my schedule. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's quick, I hope it was quick, daily plan with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.